Okay, first step is to lay everything out so it's all, I'm seeing it flat, lying flat on a table in top view. So I'm just going to start in some of these other views here. I've got this box you can see in perspective. Do a lot of rotating. -90. Oops, sorry. I'm copying as I rotate. I need to change this to copy node. So -90. Rotated that one out. This one I'm going to do in front view, -90. Negative is clockwise, positive is counterclockwise. So this is 90. Here's another one, 90 in right view. And then this top, I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees. Now, I could just leave it like it is, but I'm sort of doing this so that all the outside parts of the box are facing the same way. Now, that's first step. I need to try to conserve space. So let's see. Here's the size of the bed. I'm drawing a rectangle. This is the rectangle tool over here. The bed is a little less than 24 inches and a little less than 12 inches in the other dimension. So this is going to be plenty of space. But let's just assume that I have a small piece of wood to use. It's 8 by 8. I've got to fit everything on there. So I need to fit everything on there. I'm going to just start by, actually, you know what? Some of these fit together. So I'm going to make this really efficient. Turning object snap on, I'm going to use the move command because I want to move it exactly that corner to that corner. And the way I've designed this should be perfect. If I zoom way in, you don't see two lines ever. That's all good. Now I'll move this one using the move command again to there. This one I'm going to use the move command to there. The way I can do this so fast is, I was going to switch to my camera, but I'm just using right click there. Every time I want to redo a command that I've done before, I right click. So see up here on the, it just says command. As soon as I right click, it says point to move from this point to there, and this move to there. All right, is that going to fit on my 8 by 8? Yeah, that all fits, so we're good. So what I've done, I've laid this out really efficiently. If I laser cut this, it's not going to give me what I want. This is going to be cut into 4 pieces because these lines are here. And it's going to cut twice here because you can see there are actually 2 lines right there and there. So I want to fix all that, and I can fix that with the Make 2D Drawing command in the Dimension tab up at the top, or you could just type it out. Make 2D Drawing, select Objects, press Enter. I right-clicked instead of entered, and then OK, it's all usually good. This group thing, it's going to be a bunch of separate lines. It's kind of handy if it's all grouped. Now where'd it go? If I zoom out, it goes there. I don't know why it goes there. But that's actually what I want to print. So delete this. When I click on this, it's funny, it doesn't look like it actually grouped the output. If it had grouped it, I wouldn't be able to pull it apart like that. But anyway, I can check and see. Oh, some of this, see how it says 20 curves is added? If I explode that, and oh well. Oh, maybe ungroup. Control Shift G. So now I can get to these individual things. So I guess it did group some stuff, but it didn't group everything. If I want to group everything, do that and do Control G. So now it's all stuck together. So I am at, just on my little checklist right here, I think I've done down to F, and I've deleted everything but the 2D drawing. For good measure, I want to make sure everything's a hairline. Sometimes you run into problems if you don't do this. So I've selected everything, and I go over to the little color wheel. Oh no, Oh no. I had trouble with this earlier too when I tried to drag this properties box open a little bit more. It's freezing on me. See how it says not responding? So I'll just have to tell you what I would have done had everything worked right. I don't know what's going on there. There's a little color wheel, and here's print width. I'll click on this little down arrow and then select hairline. Save your file. You can put it on your Google Drive, put it in a USB memory stick. Those are two different ways to get it to the computer where we want to go. Still not responding.